Devin just started crawling. Look at her go. Like a week ago, New Year's Day.
Uh-oh.
Devin!
What does that mean?
She's very vocal. Stopped in the middle. She stopped in the middle. She's on a mission. She's good with getting those knees up.
Good job, girl.
Yay, Jeff. That's Daddy's 30th balloon. Yay, Devin! Good girl!
Yeah, you did it. Good job. You coming back? Yeah. Ready?
Good girl, Dev. Oh, now she's gonna go over to the ottoman and pull up. I just took our socks off because she's so much better barefoot at getting up on things. Oh, there's the kitty. There's the kitty. Good girl, Devin. Yay!
Kitty.
Yeah, you're so funny. She is one happy girl. We are so lucky. Bye-bye for now.